Okay. It is advisory in nature. What do you mean by advisory in nature? Now if you go through this example, that is 2 is to 1. Now what it is advising? It is advising that we can still increase our current assets and make low of what now current liabilities. Why? Because still we can pay more kind of what now to our current liabilities. Now what is this advising us? What is this advising us? Net profit ratio. It is telling us to increase our what now net profit. When we can increase our net profit? When we increase our what now net sales. So that is what they are telling. What it is advisory in nature. Fine. So next, prior to that, what we can discuss is over here, advisory means what? Advisory is what? Giving suggestions. Giving suggestions in the sense what? Okay, what we can do the betterment. So net profit ratio, they are telling you can increase your net profit. When you can increase your net profit? When your net sales are increasing. So this is what management accounting does it. The next one is what? It is directed towards future. Now can we change this now? No, we can't change it. So we have to make it, ensure that we will do it in what now? Future. So that is what they are telling. It is directed towards future. The next one is, it is telling it collects and selects accounting information but does not preserve it. What do you mean by this now? It is collecting and selecting. Now we have taken this accounting information from balance sheet. So we are doing it what? We are collecting it and selecting whatever we require it, and according to that we are providing the information. But we will not preserve it. Why? Because at that point of a time we require that. So we are not going to preserve it. We are going to use it for that time, and we will remove it out. Okay, the next one is what? Not in continuous in nature. What do you mean by not in continuous in nature? We will be doing it whenever it is required. We will be not doing it on a regular basis. How we do our balance sheet and profit and loss account year on year basis. We will be not calculating these things year on year. Whenever required, we are going to do it. So they are telling not in continuous in nature. The next one, they are telling it is analytical in nature. What do you mean by analytical in nature? What do you mean by analytical? We are going to analyze it in the sense what? Now we are going to analyze our current ratio. What is current ratio? Current assets by current liabilities. We are going to analyze our current assets to current liabilities. How much is the ratio? That is what? 2 is to 1. We are going to analyze that this is a good situation because our current assets are more than what? Current liabilities. So these are your characteristics of management accounting. Okay, thank you.